Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time...
In the year 1947, India won its freedom from British rule. The citizens of this free India started rebuilding their nation brick by brick. Amongst the pioneers were Mr. B.D. Toshniwal and his brothers, who set up Toshniwal Brothers Private Limited, a high-technology instrumentation company in 1948. After 22 years of building an impeccable reputation through hard work and quality consciousness, in 1970, Toshniwal Brothers, under the leadership of late Mr. Vinay Toshniwal, entered into a partnership with the internationally reputed Japanese multinational Shimadzu Corporation. This was a very prestigious moment for the company and the beginning of a symbiotic relationship which would get stronger over the years. Toshvin Analytical was formed in 2001 after a strategic reorganization of the parent company under the leadership of Mr. Vinay Toshniwal. Mr. Vinay was an entrepreneur of great vision and business acumen, whose wisdom and foresight took Toshvin and the Shimadzu partnership to new heights.
So it's been a great partnership for the last 45 years, and I think this is one of the longest partnerships that Shimadzu has had with any company anywhere in the world. And I think the reasons for it are because we share two very strong values. One is a strong focus on customer service and customer satisfaction, and two is we both have a focus on honesty and integrity. So there's a lot of mutual respect, there's mutual understanding, and there's loyalty in terms of growing the market together and focusing on the business and focusing on what is right for both organizations. So I think both these values has helped us grow the business.
45 years relationship is very long, and that means that Toshvin is meeting our expectations every year and has been growing together. And 45 years is one of the longest partners in Shimadzu in the world. And just after we started export in 1960s, we have started a partnership, and I think still we have a good relationship. Is one of the best things in the world.
Embracing a common philosophy of contributing to the good of society through science by providing cutting-edge technologies and personalized customer support, the Toshvin and Shimadzu partnership has worked wonders in the Indian market. Starting with the first UV spectrophotometer model QE50 sold in 1971, Toshvin today has an installed base of over 12,000 Shimadzu instruments and more than 7,500 customers throughout the country. Toshvin and Shimadzu are the leaders in imported UV visible spectrophotometers with a market share of over 50%. They are also the #1 suppliers of FTIR spectrophotometers with a market share of close to 40%. They rank amongst the top 3 suppliers of GC and GC headspace systems as well as single and triple quadrupole mass spectrometers. Toshvin's diversified customer base includes leading pharmaceutical companies like Cipla, Sun Pharmaceuticals, Pfizer, Dr. Reddy's Labs and Lupin. Well-reputed chemical companies like BASF, UPL and Syngenta. Leading educational institutes including various IITs, IISc, BITS, JNU, Pune University, Mumbai University and RIA College. And reputed research institutes including NCL, NRCG, IISER, CFTRI and ICT. Application support has always been a key focus, with Toshvin establishing a dedicated application laboratory in 1995. This was merged with Shimadzu's Customer Support Center established in Mumbai in 2005. Subsequently, Shimadzu set up its second application laboratory in Delhi.
I must appreciate Toshvin for giving a special consideration to educational institution like RIA. And I must say that whatever the contribution made by Toshvin and Shimadzu together to RIA College helped us immensely in our achievement as College of Excellence, the first college in the country, as far as our research output in chemical sciences is concerned.
So I have been associated with Toshvin for past 2 decades, and I must say that they have been partners in my progress. We have gained tremendously from their technical expertise and the significant contributions they have made in upgrading our labs. It is always a delight to be associated with Toshvin. We look forward furthering our relationship between Cipla and Toshvin in the coming years. When it comes to service part, trust and integrity are synonymous with Toshvin and its members.
Efficient pre- and post-sales support, regular classroom trainings and maintenance workshops, dedicated events for the food and pharmaceutical industries, and comprehensive solutions to meet stringent US and European regulations has created a strong and loyal customer base. Shimadzu Corporation's sophisticated and rugged product range, coupled with Toshvin's in-depth knowledge of the Indian market, has resulted in a long-lasting partnership with an enviable market presence. Today, Toshvin has more than 200 dedicated employees and a network of 14 sales and service offices nationwide. Toshvin's extensive market presence and dedication to customer service gives it the standing to compete with a number of multinational companies operating in the country.
Toshvin is market leader because of mainly 2 or 3 reasons. One, state-of-the-art technical capabilities of the global standard. Training that they impart to the fellows in our institute from time to time. Third is the excellent post-service, which plays a major role. And last but not least, 24/7 available personal touch with professional competence.
At the start of their partnership, Toshvin and Shimadzu made a promise to their customers. A promise of world-class technology, a promise of reliability, a promise of support and stability. Today, the partners can proudly say that they have come a long way in fulfilling their promises. With overwhelming support from their customers and a phenomenal growth rate, the partners continue to work towards their common goal of total customer satisfaction.
We continue our strong relationship with Toshvin based on our past 45 years experience and providing the best services to the customers and hoping to be the #1 analytical instruments provider in India.
So we're very excited about the future because even as market expectations are increasing, customer demands are increasing, the market is growing. And I believe both Toshvin and Shimadzu are very well positioned to capture this opportunity. Shimadzu is constantly innovating, constantly developing new products and software to meet the market expectations and to meet regulatory requirements. On the other hand, Toshvin, which was formed by my late father, Mr. Vinay Toshniwal, was formed on the foundation of providing exceptional customer service. And it is our dream, it is our desire to be recognized as the #1 customer service provider in the industry. So as we strive towards our dream and hopefully achieve it, and combine that with Shimadzu's strength of rugged products, reliable products, cutting-edge products, I believe there's a huge opportunity in front of us. And as we move towards capturing this opportunity, we will strengthen our partnership, and I believe then the sky is the limit.